What hurts a marriage more than arguments is silence. When couples stop talking, stop sharing, and stop expressing their feelings, it can be a warning sign that something deeper is wrong. Hello, welcome to Marriage Wisdom Hub. Here we share practical tips to help you build a solid marriage.
Many people think a peaceful home means a happy marriage. But sometimes what looks like peace is actually emotional distance. Silence in marriage can slowly destroy love if it is ignored. Today, let's talk about the warning signs of dangerous silence in marriage that you should never ignore. 1. Communication disappears. Communication is the heartbeat of every marriage. When couples stop talking about their day, their feelings, their struggles, or their dreams, the connection begins to fade. At first, it may feel normal. Maybe both partners are busy. Maybe they are tired. But when silence becomes a daily habit, emotional distance starts to grow. A healthy marriage is not about talking only when there is a problem. It is about sharing life together. 2. When problems are ignored instead of discussed. Some couples stop arguing not because they solve their problems, but because they have given up talking about them. Instead of resolving issues, they bury them in silence. But unresolved problems don't disappear. They grow quietly in the background. One day, that silence can turn into resentment, and resentment can slowly destroy love. 3. When emotional connection fades. In a healthy marriage, partners feel safe to express their feelings. But when silence enters the relationship, emotional connection begins to weaken. Partners stop asking questions like, "How was your day? Are you okay? What's on your mind?" Without emotional connection, marriage can begin to feel like two strangers living in the same house. 4. When silence replaces affection. Another dangerous sign is when silence is accompanied by lack of affection. No meaningful conversations. No deep connection. No emotional warmth. Marriage becomes routine instead of relationship. And when affection disappears, loneliness can grow even inside marriage. 5. When one partner feels alone. One of the most painful signs of silence in marriage is when someone begins to feel lonely while still married. Loneliness is not about being alone. It is about feeling unseen, unheard, and emotionally disconnected. When this happens, the marriage needs attention immediately. In conclusion, silence in marriage is not always peaceful. Sometimes it is a warning sign that love, communication, and emotional connection are slowly fading. But the good news is this: silence can be broken through honest conversation, through listening, through patience and understanding. Because real love grows stronger when couples choose to talk, to listen, and to reconnect. Never ignore silence in your marriage. Sometimes the quietest problems are the ones that need attention the most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share